highlighted woodpecker plays an important role within their ecosystems.
Rochelle, awesome. I love that tree. Very cool. I love your eagle.
So I hope it's okay to make tree like all sorts of different colors.
Yeah, you did, Caitlin. I love that. Ooh, very good, Rochelle.
I like the woodpecker.
I like the woodpecker too. You did a great job with the woodpecker, especially that head. Sylvan, wonderful job. Good color. That is so good, Rosalie. I love that. Beautiful. You're a hard worker. That is a great woodpecker. Great detail. You did like a whole bunch of pastel. It's like a pastel. Wow, that's beautiful.
I think this was super fun.
You have a good time?
And I think my picture looks nice. Nice to see the colors.
Look at that. That's beautiful. Look at all the colors.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye.